then I heard that next year he will run for president of the Philippines. Yeah, Manny Pacquiao. Are
Mm.
you also familiar with Manny Pacquiao? Manny Pacquiao
Uh,
in the Philippines?
not I know of him, but
Yeah.
not really. Yeah, like.
Yeah, seven belt. Seven belt. Yeah,
Mm,
in many categories in boxing as well. And but he is also a politician. Like he became a congressman and then now a senator.
Manny
And
Pacquiao, yeah.
and he will run next year for president. Hopefully,
Oh,
yes. Because many people would like him to run for president next
right.
year.
Do you
20.
think he's gonna win
Yeah, I
the
think he's
election?
gonna win. He never lost in any political arena. Yeah, yeah, never
uh,
lost. Mm.
is he really capable of like being a politician or running the country, or like is it's just like about a popularity or?
Yes, he is so much popular. I mean, he is not that experienced or let's say intelligent or something, but he has proven to to help a lot of people in the Philippines. Like
Mm,
yeah, he's so generous and always looking for ways on how he can improve the lives of the people.
mm,
Like for example, in his place in General Santos City, like I heard that he he pushed the construction of like a hospital, something like that. Like he donated a lot of houses for people, even from his own pocket. Like the prizes that he got from boxing is giving it
mm.
to the people. So he has helped a lot of people. And when it comes to education, he's not yet actually finished his college degree, but he is still studying. He's trying to,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
he's trying to finish it because he used to be like a poor person before he started boxing. Very poor situation, poor life, very ordinary. But then he was so lucky about his career, and so he became like a billionaire. So
Mm,
now I want to try. I mean, let's see, right? Because we've tried a lot of politicians, very intelligent, very bright, but still the Philippines is you know still not really that strong country. I mean, in terms of economy, we're still behind. So I want to see an ordinary, I mean, not so intelligent person, not so educated person to like lead the country, but he's got
mm.
the heart and the willingness to really help the poor people. So I want to see, I want to see him,
Yeah,
yeah, being the
that'll be I
president.
think that'll be maybe the game changer or something like
Oh, something, yeah.
because
Hmm.
yeah, a lot of politicians are really smart or maybe like well educated, but
Hmm.
those kind of smart people like just sometimes just think about only themselves and they
Yeah,
just kind of take advantage of
that's
those
true.
the good status of being the politician
That's
and
true.
they only pay attention to themselves. But yeah, I mean, you as you mentioned that he's got a heart and he's really paid a lot of attention to like all the
Exactly.
nation nationals in your country. So
Yeah,
I mean, yeah, it's I think it's worth
it is. It
try
is. We're gonna try. Yes,
challenging the sport.
I agree with that.
Um, yeah, I because like here in Japan, like sometimes yeah, some sports like players or maybe celebrities even like I'm sorry
It's
um
okay.
try to run some like political party or maybe
Hmm.
try to like run yeah or to join the the political world, and they
Uh-huh.
sometimes get a lot of votes because of their popularity, and like they're just so famous in Japan, so that's
Yeah.
why they just get the votes. But that's not really what it really should be about. Like
Mm-hmm.
it just should be yeah more fair, and should be more like legitimate, like
Mm-hmm.
fair, like reasonable, like yeah. But it's just that. But like yeah, like you mentioned that the that guy
Mm-hmm.
Manny Pacquiao is different. So I think yeah, hope it's gonna work well.
Yeah, I know. I agree. I mean, yeah, I agree that he is a game changer. And I also like notice in his personality, he's the kind of person that he will never quit. I mean, he is focused on something that he wants to achieve. Yeah, he's so focused on that. Say, like, he's he's not so much smart or intelligent when it comes to like, let's say, academically or by degrees or education. But this person is a multi-talented person. Like in sports, he knows he's good in many different kinds of sports. And then he also sing. In fact, he has an album as well, like as a singer. Yeah. So he can play basketball, he can play well, he can play chess, he can play well too. Yeah. So many sports, something like that. So I mean, strategically in strategy, he is good in strategy, like planning something like that. And execution, that's when you're a champion, you're a great executor, right? You're a
Yeah,
great
yeah.
executor. So I believe that he will be able to achieve something if he will be the president of the Philippines. I
Mm,
think so. That maybe he can achieve something that other presidents have never achieved before. I think so.
yeah, I hope so too.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, I think you're right. Like the execution part is like most difficult, like and
Yeah,
the
yeah,
most
that's true.
important as well. Yeah. So that part is like really tough. Like in I think not only political work, but like in any
Yeah.
wars of the field. Like you can maybe think about a good idea, or you can maybe you know think about a good strategy, like with like flying color and then like everything. But like the execution part is like really tough. Like you gotta like literally execute it. And
Yeah,
it's,
yeah, yeah. The
so
action part,
and then
right?
like the most of yeah the action part, yeah, exactly. The most politicians just like make a lot of promises, but they never actually
Exactly.
make it
Yeah.
come true. So
Yes.
the
Call it
action part, yeah.
traditional, right? Traditional politicians.
um they
Yes.
just say I'm gonna do this, like I'm gonna like
Yeah.
I don't know, like provide you with that, this and
That's
that, like, but yeah, that never happens.
yes, 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 yeah, very true. Just like could happen in the Philippines. We have a lot of politicians like that, that would promise a lot of things, but
Yeah, yeah.
the execution is not so real. I mean, or not realistic. Okay. Yeah, but I've been used to that. Um, and then, even though I've been used to that, I want to see new things. I mean, new kind of politics. Yeah, I want to witness a new kind of politics in the Philippines because I think enough is enough. I don't, I don't want to vote anymore for these old politicians who've been there for many years and still the same.
Oh, right.
Yeah. How about in Japan? I mean, are there some young politicians nowadays that are
Not really.
not
Like all
really?
of them are old. Yeah. Like
Yeah,
I don't know why the political world like doesn't really accept like a lot of new guys or
exactly,
newcomers.
exactly.
They just love like conventional, like traditional guys, and
Yeah.
like they just dominate the political ones. So I don't know what's gonna
Are
happen.
you not
But yeah,
looking?
I'm
Oh,
so
yeah,
sorry,
yeah,
but
I can
yeah,
see that.
I
Yes.
gotta go. So
Yeah,
thank you.
thank you
I'm
so
sorry.
much, Masa. It's
Yeah, it was
okay.
nice talking to you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
See you again
Have a
next
nice day.
time. Bye. Okay.